Welcome, welcome, Amazon business owners and soon to be Amazon business owners. My name is Tim. On behalf of ALGO Online Retail, I want to do a quick video today to talk about how to sell on Amazon without ever touching a product. Now, that's a question I've been getting asked a lot lately, and you know why. The world today, we got inflation, we got Ukraine and Russia going on, we got COVID maybe coming to an end, maybe not. And it's finally convinced a lot of people, hey, you know what? I better get serious about making some money from home. I better get serious about making some money without ever having to touch any products, right? And so let me answer the question. How do you make money without touching a product? So functionally, here's how it works. Now, if you've seen any of my videos here on YouTube, you've heard me talk about how to sell popular name brand products. The products that are already selling, they already have sales volume, right? That's the best way to sell on Amazon. So here's what you're gonna do. If you don't wanna touch a product, you find a popular name brand product from a supplier that you can get permission to sell that product on Amazon. You buy from that supplier and you tell that supplier, hey, don't ship it to me, I don't want to touch it. Ship it straight to Amazon, I'm doing FBA. Now that's something you're telling this supplier the whole time you're talking to them, the whole time you're negotiating price, all of those details. They know they're gonna ship it straight to Amazon. All right, so how do they do that? You have to do your part. So your part is you go to your Amazon seller account and you have to get some information. Now, if you don't have an Amazon account yet, that's okay. We can show you how. You go to your Amazon account and you put in how many units of each product you're gonna be shipping to Amazon. You put in that information and then Amazon gives back to you where to ship it, the address, which FBA warehouse, etc., etc. Now you then have to provide that information to your supplier, which means you're sending them PDF files of the shipping labels and a little bit of other information. All right, so that's how you actually don't touch a product, right? Now, if you wanna learn this, if you wanna learn how to find popular name brand products, if you wanna know how to win the buy box and crunch all the numbers and all that, I would love to teach you how. So if you look right down here, there's a little button talking about a free live webinar. It's 90 minutes long. It's gonna be coming up soon. I'd love to have you join. Click on that link, join. I'm gonna cover how to sell the right way on Amazon, how to sell popular name brand products, how to never touch that product, how to set this all up so you can do this from home and you can fight all of the things that are happening right now in the world and at least financially make your life a little bit better. So if you'd like to learn how to do all that, click on that link, get registered, save your seat. Again, I'll be live, it'll be free. I'll answer all your questions. I'll see you soon.